Hello everybody, this is Nate over at Bullion RV in Duluth, Minnesota. Got another video for you today outside. It's actually a gorgeous day. So today we have a brand new 26 Reflection 250 ml. So stats are gonna pop up at the beginning of the video. Feel free to pause and get a little bit more information. We're gonna take you around the outside, show you some of the new features, get you on the inside. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Apologies if you hear any noise in advance. We are kind of close to the highway today, so just bear with me, but let's get started. So again, this is a Reflection 250 ml. So kind of moving forward with some of the features, you are actually gonna have the Curt Helix hitch on this with a 2,600 pound maximum weight and an 18,000 pound pin box capacity. So I just wanted to make that known right out from the gate. Coming on forward, you can see we got old Trusty out today to give this unit some life. So we'll have our solar charge controller, solar disconnect, we'll have our battery box and our battery disconnect in front, and then off to the left you are prepped for inverter on this unit as well. But also if you want to use this for a little bit of storage, feel free to do so. Make sure I'm not crushing my head. So you do have a slide out on this unit. So this is a 150 series, so we'll get a look at that. We'll have two 20-pound propane tanks, or on the opposite, I'm sorry, 30-pound propane tanks. The other one's on the opposite side. Used to saying 20s. But looking through the pass-through storage here, so for a smaller Reflection like this, you actually do have electronic leveling, and all of that system is gonna be right here, so you do have auto level on this unit, which is really nice to have. Lots of pass-through storage, and then gray and black tank flush, winterizing, outdoor shower, cable hookups. Everything's gonna be in one convenient location for you when you look at purchasing this unit. Off to the right, we'll have our hot water heater and our furnace. And again, once again, everything being in one convenient location, your 50 amp plug-in. Coming on down. Coming around to the back. So you have your 2-inch upgrade and reverse lights here. And then, actually, like I said, prepped from the factory. So moving on over, you have your 3,000 pound maximum gross trailer weight on this hitch from the factory, but nice to automatically have that prepped from the factory. So you also are prepped for a backup camera, ladder to get on your walkable roof to clean out that slide, and then again you can outfit this with a backup camera to make parking this Reflection a lot easier. Coming on down, you have a small little outdoor kitchen area with your little mini fridge for your favorite drinks. And then we'll take a step back. So we'll have our Lippert auto leveling system. To the left of that, you'll have your sewer hose. And going down a little bit further, you do have your spare tire on this. This unit is a double axle, so you can hover over a little bit more of the information here with your anti-lock ABS system. Moving on over. Looking at the other side of the pass-through storage. So again, your cable hookups are going to be over here, and then you'll have your assist for your jacks there as well. Moving on in, large grab handle, but actually before that, I want to hover over some of the new suspension. So you kind of see outfitted in orange there. And I toured the Grand Design factory and I knew what they were doing to these types of units here. So this is going to make traveling with these Reflections a lot easier, as I just smashed my back into the outdoor kitchen setup. So coming on in, this is gonna be a smaller floor plan, but again, for a fifth wheel, you're gonna have that interior ceiling height, lots of maneuverability. So I'm gonna kind of start my way from the back and move forward. So we're gonna start off in the kitchen here. So we'll get a look at the oven. That's stuck there. 3-burner cooktop. This unit does have a ductless heating system. Nice large microwave. Some storage up above. And then all of these are going to link together here, so I'll open up 2 of them. Lots of room for your cups, plates, and your bowls. Plenty of counter space. Plenty of room underneath. And these are soft close drawers. A little bit more storage there. We'll open up these 2. Again, all of these are considered one cabinet, one cupboard. But I will open up this one because you got your Grand Design owner's manual stuffed in there, so everything you need to know about this unit is going to be in there. But a couple of windows letting in some of that natural light around here. We'll have the silverware storage drawer. There's the box for our Tire Link Pro. Then we'll come over this way here. Lots of storage to work with. Even if you want to use this as some type of pantry for your canned goods, you can do that. And then we'll have our garbage can there. What I like what Grand Design is doing, so if you do take the pets with you, you got the hidden pet dish already there. You don't have to worry about anything. And then we will get a look at fridge and freezer. It's funny, when these units come from the factory, there's a lot of the stuff that should be in the sink area. They put them in the fridge and freezer, so it's definitely something. So standing over this way by the recliners here, looking out at the dinette and the TV area. So you got a dinette that does come down into a bed with some device charging outlets down below, but plenty of room for friends and family. TCL TV, we'll have our air conditioner up above our heads. And we'll have small amounts of storage, kind of oddly shaped, but enough to put some stuff in there for like TV remotes, other remotes, things like that. But Thomas Paine recliners, lots of light coming in through the windows. Again, I can just sit down, relax, watch my TV, charge my phone, have my drinks, and then just recline to be more comfortable. So very user-friendly. But even if you're sitting in this chair, you got electric or a fireplace that also is a form of heat there too. So if it is those cooler fall days and you want to relax with your feet up, you got the heat coming through and warming up your legs. And then you also have some storage down below and some storage up top. So realistically, all I have to do is lean forward to grab what I want. I don't really have to move. If I'm watching the game, I want to relax, I want to be warm. But behind that, you'll have some more GFCI outlets. Little spot for your coat. Fuse box is going to be down below, but even if I want to sit down, put on my shoes, I can do that. I don't have to worry about standing up, falling over. And then to the left of me, by the fire extinguisher, there's actually going to be a spot for some shoe storage. Lots of storage up above. But off to the right here, we'll have our ceiling awning porch light, tank heaters, water pump, awning, slide, everything for the control panel. We'll have our thermostat over here, our max air vent so you can open and close the vent, turn on the fan, all the fun stuff. Moving on up into the bathroom. So smaller bathroom, but definitely going to be user-friendly. It's going to be efficient. So you'll have your large medicine cabinet, a little bit of storage down below, some storage on the bathroom sink. I shouldn't say storage on the bathroom sink, but some space to work with. And then some space down below. You'll have your porcelain foot flush toilet. And then room for your other medicine cabinet. But I'm a taller guy, so again, doing that shower test, lots of width, lots of height, so I'm not going to smack my head or do anything like that. Standard bathroom, but definitely functional. Moving on into the bedroom. Now, some of these other reflections, or even other floor plans, you've seen layouts like this before, so this is going to be kind of a standard bedroom with a lot of storage down below. There's our power cord. But lots of light coming into the bedroom here. We got some storage there. Again, soft closed drawers. Another AC in here as well, so you're gonna be nice and cool at night. So you'll have some storage up above the bed, and this runs the full length to the opposite end of the bed. His and her device charging outlets on the side with a little bit of counter storage here for your phones or your laptop. You can see on the other side here as well. Lots of room. And then kind of coming over into the wardrobe. But before I jump into that, you'll have your TV backer sitting right here. All your appropriate hookups up above. But more storage for clothes, but this unit is also prepped for washer and dryer once we hang around over to the left there. So if you wanted to do that, doing laundry a lot easier. Some storage down below and some storage down below. And then a little bit more underneath. If you want to put some more shoes down there, you can definitely do that as well. So recently I toured the Grand Design factory, so I know a lot of the improvements that they're doing to these units to make traveling with them a lot easier and also keeping that price point down. So they've done a lot of improvements and they're doing a lot of great work, especially jumping into the future here. So coming on down, doing one final review, or just kind of one more look over the unit itself. So again, it's nothing too big, but with the slide out, if it's just a couples coach, or even if you have a friend or two, well, smaller friend or two or a grandchild, they could sleep on the dinette or even hang out and sleep in the recliners. I've done it before. So really nice floor plan by Grand Design. Just wanted to get this video out right away because I was very excited to do this video. My name's Nate over at Bullion RV in Duluth, Minnesota. So all my information is going to be in the description box down below. Feel free to call me, email me, text me. I'm more than happy to help answer any questions. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more content. Once again, this is Nate over at Bullion RV. We'll see you in the next one.